Tayo ng go guys, no? Mag-shawarma tayo guys. Murkon guys, murkon shawarma guys. Yun. So ito na guys, yung ating dough. Gawa pa tayo ulit guys, ha? Nakakita guys, yan guys, kanina yan. So guys, yan, dough yun guys. Gawa tayo ng shawarma guys. Yan, tignan guys, tignan na pag-try. Tapos, ito guys, tignan guys. Okay, dough. Yan, dough na yan mamaya guys, diba? O yun. Luluto tayo ng shawarma guys. Imuti yung ating palaman guys. O perfect. Guys, luluto na guys. Huling yung gamit natin guys. Tignan guys na. Yan, kawin guys, tignan guys. Yan, pipino na tayo guys sa ito. I-stay po kayong ibo dito guys. Okay. So guys, yung ibo dito at saka yung red onion guys. Kasi wala tayong red onion. Kaya yan, white onion, red onion na lang. White onion guys, siguro natin. Do, pipino, saka yung pipino. Okay guys, order namin dito guys. Okay guys, buksan natin guys yung pipino guys. So guys, ilang kasama ko dito si Jai guys. May bulga din. Pipino guys. Sama ko si Jai. Salamat para kay Jai na limay mo pipino eh. Wow, kay Bibi Pato. Ha? Okay, so, guys. Ilang guys, yung pipino guys. Hindi natin balatan guys, inugasan natin ito. Okay, so, natin guys, sobrang nipis guys. Yan. Parang sarap yung shawarma akong ito guys. Okay guys, yung ating pipino guys. Inayat na guys, dalawa kong muling guys, sarap guys. Mapukulit. Nauna na pang kumain ng pipino guys. So, pipino guys. Tsaka onion na lang guys, yung biyak natin guys.
Onion? Yaman yun na.
Ito na guys, oh. Ah, ito guys, oh. Ito guys, oh. Ito guys, oh. Ito guys, guys. Ubus ka. Ah, guys, oh. Ketchup. Ito guys, oh. Gayat natin yung ubus guys. Lupat pa. Ito guys, oh. Tignan nyo guys, dalawang bulinggit guys, oh. So, yung ating sibuyas. Ito na guys, oh. Yung tama natin guys, binsa ko. Ito guys, oh. Yung dough natin guys. Yan.
Yun guys.
Ito yung dough. Ito guys, oh. Yes, so sarap guys. Yan natin na pipino.
Ano?
Ganyan. Pipino tsaka karne. Guys, kumain na natin guys. Bilis yung kamay natin. Mikos-mikos. Saan yan? Guys, oh, sarap guys. Ayan guys. Tsaka yung red onions. Guys, red onions. Guys, karne. Guys. Karne. Yun. Guys, tignan nyo guys. Oh, sobrang sarap. Napaka-pili ko mas palapalit guys. Overload. Yun, lagyan natin ng guys. Oh. 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 Saka na ketchup guys. Ubus na yung ketchup guys. Ito pa yung burger guys. Yun guys. Yan. Para mas kapal guys, dalawain natin nando guys. Guys. Yan guys. Dalawang dough. Yan. Perfect. Oh, ito na guys. Yun. Yun, crunchy. Yun, shawarma natin guys. Oh, first bite. Sarap guys. Bukay mo daw. Kaya. So guys, thank you sa panonood guys. Salamat sa inyo. And God bless.